Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mustafa Driving School, driver training. We got lovely
Amelia.
Amelia. She's really good, and we're doing a countryside driving with her. So she's doing independently. How do you feel?
Yeah, good.
Good. If you got tests coming up or just want to improve your driving, countryside driving, and you might find this video useful. And have a lovely day. Drive on. Good. Beautiful. Good observation. Well done. Good.
Are we going the same way then?
Yes, good. So now the road is, what can you see the road? What's
Bend.
happening? There you go. So what do you need to do?
Slow down.
That's good, yeah? How much you gonna slow down? Nice, beautiful, good. And then as soon as you pass the bus, yeah? And there's a road coming on the right hand side, yes? As soon as you pass the van and the bus, I would like you to turn right when it's safe to do so, okay? When it's safe, turn right. Thank you. And how's that?
Yeah, good. I went to the left this time.
Okay, good, well done. Okay, so at the end of the road, yeah, I would like you to turn left, please, yeah, when you get there, left. When it's safe and when you can. Well done, good mirror, good signaling, well done. And show me how you're going to position yourself to the left side. Yep, good. And straight ahead now. Beautiful, good. And what sort of sign can you see, Amelia?
Bend in the road.
Okay, so we follow the bend to the left, and the bend is very sharp.
Yeah.
Okay? Very sharp. Beautiful. Controlling the speed, well done. Beautiful. You spot the speed limit, well done. National speed. Safe? Yeah?
Oh yeah, turning right. How did you see that indicator for so far away? How did you see the indicator for so far away?
Because he was indicating. How far?
I know, but it's like quite a light indicator.
Yeah.
Like,
it was flashing, isn't it? Yeah. It was a bit bright, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it was like pale colour.
Yeah, pale was blinking. You know.
Yeah.
You saw the blinking. Well done, good. You saw the speed limit nicely. Roundabout coming up, straight ahead please. When it's safe, you can. Thank you. Then I would like you to turn right, the road coming up. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Y junction, turning right. When it's safe and when you can.
Here.
Yeah, when it's safe, yeah?
These roads are like weird to me, I don't know.
Yeah. And what can you see in the floor again?
Another.
Thank you. Do you know what that junction called?
No.
Y junction. It's like a letter Y. Yeah?
It's just weird because there's like two entries.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
I've never seen that before.
We don't have Tours Chisholm, we have it in here.
No.
Usually on the countryside, yeah? We're going straight at the main roundabout when it's safe to do so. Is it safe?
Yeah.
Thank you. How do you feel about the faster speed now on the countryside?
Yeah, fine.
Fine now, yeah.
It makes me feel like now 30 isn't fast
I
enough.
know. Because you got used to 60 now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you drove at national speed. Now the 30, speed is too slow.
Yeah, he does go a bit.
Yeah. And the mini roundabout is straight ahead, and then it's safe to do so, yeah? Thank you. What color is the light?
Red.
Have you got any holiday plans for the summer?
Yeah, I think I'll go away. Me and Mum might go to like Ibiza or Portugal earlier on.
Nice.
And then I might go in person with his family.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's good.
2 holidays needed.
Lovely, yeah. That's good. Pleasure. Well done, really good, well done. Beautiful. You've kept the crossing clear, well done.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow and brings more content your way. See you next time.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you notice?
Yeah, I saw a flash.
That's it, yeah.
Was that indicator or like?
What she put